Lambo. Cold cheese.
Fried bar.
Fried bar one.
And then
Oh, pride. So yeah, guys. Project Lambo episode 3 is coming. I'm gonna get Lambo parts maybe in a couple of days. So we're gonna put them in the Lambo, see how it looks. I'm also thinking about getting a muffler. So muffler delete for the Lambo. Yes or no? You like how the Lambo sounds, baby?
yeah.
Huh? You like or voila? Bang. You like the sound of the Lambo? Ah, don't be like that. The Lambo's the one that brings you right here, pa. Right. The Chino thinks the Lambo is too loud, but it's not. It's not loud yet. And I don't think about putting it loud. Babe, you like the sound of the Lambo? Ah, okay, okay. So China approves of the sound of the Lambo, guys. Wow. You feel like you're still riding the bus? You feel anxious? Ah, it's the pregnancy. Guys, I want to announce my wife is pregnant right here on the live. Nada, pero sí, le voy a comprar un pinche mofle a los Lambo, güey, para que se oiga con madres, Porque no la quiero muy ruidosa ni nada, pero quiero cambiarle el look también. So, ya stay tuned. Okay, guys. Aquí andamos. Tapos nada. My chinita. Ay. My chinitas. This one right here. Man, look at this. It don't even fit. Look, the thing is right here. Lo tiene hasta arriba, güey. Anyways, we got a lot of things coming up, guys. Hopefully, uh, I just invested in an action camera, so we'll see how it goes with that. Hopefully, it's okay, and it brings a lot of joy to the subscribers with different angles, different things that we can do. I'm excited, and what else? Wait, just leave it there. Where you going? Tapas na?
Yeah.
Man, this is big. Here, grab the phone there. Got mine. I guess I like that. Why you put the phone like that, baby? Okay. Well, gonna walk outside and just gonna walk outside and chill right here. Waiting for Gina. I'm just gonna wait for Gina outside, guys. Look how beautiful it looks out here. Qué hermosura, guys. Hop pack the like button. Hop pack the like button. Don't make sure you join the channel memberships. Become a compita.